We are from automation. We have a problem that we want to solve, and it's the following problem. It's about CLT and the communication in the industry on CLT. Okay, so CLT, in 2 words, are these big cross-laminated timber panels. It's basically, if you know the material, it's a potential replacement for concrete. It's seismic, it's green, it's a material of the future. Oops. So, the industry of CLT is divided in 2 parts. You have the companies, the big companies that produce them, and they have lots of infrastructure like big machines, big expensive tools to cut, to glue, and to produce these. And then you have the other part of the industry, which is basically the companies that build these houses. They order, they have to dimension, they own the project. These builders, they use Revit or alikes. The producers, they don't use Revit because they're targeting the production actually. So they are using an application, for instance, on ACA, like HSBCAD or any other.
Hi everyone, my name is Gilles, and I want to present our solution to this problem. So we have our 3 applications. HSB Share, that's our collaboration platform. We have our AutoCAD API and our Revit plugins as well. We want to use actually the HFDM solution that Autodesk is providing. They have released a beta version, I guess, and that's the new Forge API, actually, a new Forge API. What HFDM is actually an acronym for High Frequency Data Management. And we want to use it to create a solution to our customers. We want to use it to make all our components work with each other. What we did is actually, we want to link every application onto each other. Here we have our part of the designer that's using Revit, for example, and then the part of the fabrication. Actually, what we have seen on the top, the designer sends a model to the fabricator. He says something is wrong with the model itself, and the communication used to be emailing Excel files and so on, and AutoCAD and Revit files going forward. But now with HFDM, we created one repository where we have all the data and where we can actually store and version everything. So HFDM is a combination of Google Docs and GitHub as well. So we have versioning information, who changed what at what time. So we have all the information there in one centralized point. So what we're seeing here is actually the Revit part. On top, you see that the designer sends an image, a model. The fabricator opens it and then says something is wrong. He can do this with our cloud collaboration platform called HSB Share. And on the bottom, the designer changes the model because that's not onto the fabricator. The fabricator immediately gets an update and he gets to see the result. Not only see the result, but we are also having our cloud collaboration platform called HSB Share, where we can actually see all the commits on the top, who did what at what point, and actually visualizing the changes in this platform as well.
Yeah, so the HSB Share is a collaboration tool. It's connecting designers, architects, site gangs, so they can all communicate. They can connect to different commits. They can make issues against commits and versions, and it just helps us complete workflow. One single repository that's shared by all the stakeholders.
Yeah. So bye-bye files.
Yep.
Long live HFDM.